Today we're going to show you how to fit your tactical mount to your bike. It will come out the box like this with your frame protector and the frame protector strips, and you'll also have your frame mount clips with Allen screws inside. All you're going to need to fit it is a pair of scissors and a 5mm Allen key. To assemble your mount, start with your frame mount clips. They unfold like this. You'll find your Allen screws, just pop those aside, and then what you're going to need to do is insert the frame mount clip into your mount like so, and the frame protection strip should be underneath. That's what protects your frame when it's fitted to the bike. Then we just do the same on the other side. You can mount your X3 to your top tube or your seat tube. We always recommend putting your lock in your mount and offering it up to make sure it fits within the frame. The next thing you need to do is measure and cut your frame protection strips to secure the mount to your bike. Once you've cut your frame protection strips, you need to insert your frame mount clip, and that should sit there to protect your frame once it's secure. The next thing you need to do is tighten the Allen screws to secure the mount to your bike. Finally, you need to insert the lock at 90 degrees, secure, and twist into place.